How to fix the camera shutter lag issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all, open camera app. Now in the camera app, click on the settings icon on the top right corner and then scroll down to the end and tap on restore defaults. Now tap on OK to confirm and then tap on allow, and after that the shutter lag issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps, again click on this apps option and then open camera. Now here tap on storage and then clear the cache memory of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared, and after that the shutter lag issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if the software is not updated to the latest version, then update the phone's software, and after updating the phone's software, the camera shutter lag issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera shutter lag issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.